Hey everyone, today we are bringing 3 beautiful rings back to life. Starting with this full eternity band covered in diamonds, I'm using a fine grit spider wheel to buff out those minor scratches and everyday wear marks. Now here's something important, I keep this buffing pretty gentle. You might be tempted to go aggressive on scratches, but removing too much metal over time can actually make your ring thinner. We want these pieces to last a lifetime. Now we move to the polishing compound. This is where the magic really happens. We're bringing that mirror finish back to the metal. Ring number 2, this gorgeous half eternity. Same process here. Fine grit spider wheel to smooth everything out. And then straight to the polish. Half eternities are so elegant. You've got that beautiful line of stones on top and smooth metal underneath. Getting both surfaces perfect is key. And our final ring, this absolute stunner of a halo solitaire. These are a bit more intricate with all that delicate halo work around the center stone. I have to be extra careful around those tiny prongs. We're buffing gently. When a halo is properly cleaned and polished, it's like a disco ball of brilliance. Now all 3 rings go into the ultrasonic cleaner. This removes all that excess polishing compound and any stubborn dirt hiding in the settings. And here's the most satisfying part. Watch this cloud of grime just float off. Quick pro tip, you can actually maintain this sparkle at home. Just use some hot water, a drop of dish soap, and a soft toothbrush to gently scrub away all those human particles that build up daily. You know, oils, lotions, dirt, all that stuff that makes your stones lose their luster. Do this once a week and your rings will stay gorgeous between professional cleanings. Final step, a quick hand polish with a clean cloth to bring out the ultimate mirror finish. Just a few passes and perfection. And there you have it, 3 rings restored to their former glory. And don't forget to like and subscribe.